Welcome to the Pitt State Library's web tutorials. Today we will learn how to use the Summon Search tool. When doing research, Summon helps you find information from the library's hundreds of thousands of resources in a single search. Start by navigating to the Pitt State Library website, axe.pittstate.edu. Scroll down to the What Are You Looking For section. It has several search tools and links, including the Summon search box. From here, you can type into the search box a research topic. For this video, we're going to search car history. We can also narrow down by content type, or just hit search. The next page returns millions of results we have access to and detailed information on each. The first section on the left side of the screen has some important ways to refine the search, including the option to pick full text online or peer review results. Further down, we can narrow results by content type, publication dates, languages, subject terms, and more. We can also specify by library location to ensure that we are searching for books at the correct location. These tools can be extremely helpful in making our top results more relevant to our search. For this video, let's limit our results to recently published books. This is a much smaller list of books and ebooks. In the middle, we have different titles with information on each. You see information about the author, publication date, content type, and location information. Physical materials will say if the term is available and have a callback number next to it indicating its location. If the item is checked out, you will see a date indicating when the item is due back. Online resources that we have full access to will say full text online. Clicking Preview under a title brings up information about the item, including a brief summary, subject terms, and more. Summon has other helpful features to the right of the title. Click the quotation mark icon to get citation information, the envelope icon to email titles to yourself, and the folder icon to temporarily save items that interest you. At this point, you have the basic idea of how to use Summon for your research. If you need to do a more advanced search, click Advanced next to the search bar. Feel free to drop by the reference desk or message us through the library chat service if you have additional questions. Thank you for watching the Summon tutorial. Make sure to check out our other web tutorials and subscribe to our channel.